Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated dirt bikes of 2025, the Suzuki RM-Z1050. Suzuki has truly pushed the boundaries with this new model, offering a blend of power, performance, and cutting-edge tech. In this video, we'll explore what makes the RM-Z1050 stand out and why it's going to be a game-changer for dirt bike enthusiasts. Let's get started. Design and build. The 2025 RM-Z1050 sports a sleek, aggressive design that screams speed and agility. With its redesigned frame, Suzuki has focused on improving the bike's handling and stability. The chassis is made of lightweight, high-strength materials, ensuring a solid yet nimble feel on the track. The bold yellow and black livery remains iconic, but the overall design has been updated to provide more aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the RM-Z1050 to cut through the air with ease. Power and performance. At the heart of the RM-Z1050 is a new 1050 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine that delivers insane power and torque. Suzuki has optimized the engine for both speed and durability, perfect for those long days of racing or trail riding. With improved fuel injection and a brand new exhaust system, the RM-Z1050 provides smoother throttle response and exceptional low-end torque, giving you that extra push when you need it most. Whether you're hitting a jump or tackling technical corners, this bike has the muscle to keep you ahead of the pack. Technology and features. Suzuki has integrated cutting-edge tech into the RM-Z1050, making it one of the smartest dirt bikes on the market. The bike comes equipped with an advanced traction control system that adjusts to the terrain, ensuring maximum grip in a variety of conditions. It also features a digital display with a customizable interface that provides real-time data on speed, engine temperature, and fuel efficiency. Another standout feature is the launch control system, which helps riders get off the line faster, especially in competitive racing scenarios. The RM-Z1050 also features a quick-shift gearbox, making shifting smoother and more precise during intense riding sessions. Suspension and handling. The RM-Z1050 is built for the toughest tracks, and the suspension system plays a huge part in its performance. Suzuki has upgraded the front and rear suspension to provide better handling and control, whether you're taking on rough trails or high-speed corners. The Showa spring forks and dual rear shock system work together to absorb bumps and provide a more stable ride, keeping you in control at all times. Conclusion. To sum it all up, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z1050 is a beast of a dirt bike. With its powerful engine, smart tech features, and improved handling, it's designed for riders who want to push their limits and experience the thrill of motocross like never before. Whether you're a pro or an enthusiast, this bike is set to revolutionize the dirt bike world. If you're excited about the RM-Z1050, don't forget